Welcome back to Mesh Minds Creative. In this tutorial, we'll be modeling a clean and detailed kunai from scratch. We'll focus on proper topology, smooth surfaces, and avoiding any shading issues. Alright, let's start by adding a plane. Go into edit mode, then move, scale, and position it according to the reference. Add a mirror modifier and enable clipping. Now adjust the vertices and align them with the reference image. Quick fun fact, the kunai started as a farming and construction tool in Japan, mainly used for digging, prying or breaking materials, and was later used by ninja for climbing and survival. Unlike in Naruto, it wasn't mainly meant for throwing, but a practical multi-use tool. Select this vertex. In side view, move it along the Z-axis and align it properly. Do the same for the other vertex. Now add a cut here using the knife tool. Select everything and merge by distance to clean up the mesh. Add another edge using Ctrl+R and slide it into position. Apply the mirror modifier with both X and Z axes enabled. Now select these vertices and convert them into a circle. If you zoom in, you'll notice a slight rotation, so rotate it back and align it properly. Scale it to the correct size and add a few loop cuts. Select these edges and extrude them outward. Switch to Edge Select mode, go to Select Sharp Edges, then deselect any unwanted edges and select only the required ones. Add a bevel and set the profile shape to 1. Now select these 4 vertices. Make sure the last selected vertex is the middle one. Merge them at the last selected point, then delete the middle edge. Repeat this process on all 4 sides. Add a subdivision surface modifier. Temporarily add a few loop cuts to support the shape. As you can see, the mesh is already looking clean and smooth. Now let's model the ring. Add a cylinder with 12 vertices and align it with the reference. Select the middle faces and inset them. With those faces selected, bridge them. Add 2 loop cuts like this. Select these 2 edge loops, press Alt+S and scale them slightly. Do the same for the inner loops, but this time scale them outward. You don't have to follow this exactly. Feel free to add your own details and make it unique. Now we'll attach the blade to the ring using a Boolean modifier. First, dissolve the extra edges we added earlier. Extrude this section outward. Select the blade in object mode and add a Boolean modifier. Move it to the top of the modifier stack. Use the eyedropper tool to select the ring. Set the operation to union, then apply the modifier. You can now hide or delete the ring object. Let's clean up the mesh. Select everything and merge by distance. Use the knife tool to connect these vertices. Select these edges and bevel them. Now select this edge loop and move it slightly along the y-axis. Add another bevel and set the profile to 0.5. Select these edges, flatten them, and move them slightly upward to create a smooth transition. This already looks much better. Now bevel these edges again and set the profile back to 1. Repeat the same vertex merging process here. Select 4 vertices, make sure the middle one is selected last, merge at last, and delete the middle edge. This helps eliminate any shading issues. Also, bevel this edge loop and add a few supporting cuts. With that, the blade is complete. Now let's model the grip. Add a cylinder and scale it accordingly. Delete the top and bottom faces. Add a shrink wrap modifier and select the kunai as the target object. Rotate it into position. Now add some thickness. In object mode, duplicate this object, rotate it to the other side and hide it for now. Select the original object, apply all modifiers and add a subdivision surface modifier. Unhide the duplicated object and apply only the shrink wrap modifier. Then add a subdivision modifier. Enable proportional editing, turn on connected only and adjust the vertices like this. Once done, apply the modifiers. Now fine-tune the vertex positions as needed. Duplicate these objects again and place them accordingly. This time, don't deform the new objects, only adjust the ones above. Delete these extra pieces. Select the remaining parts and join them together. Finally, add an array modifier to complete the grip. And with that, our Kunai model is complete. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more 3D tutorials.